just had pizza like a couple of days ago. On the block.
$85 for 4 slices of pizza.
What's up? Hiya, hiya, hiya.
Oh, hi.
Hiya, hiya.
And how old are we today?
15.
Do you feel 15?
I guess.
You were 15 yesterday, though. No, you were 15 yesterday. Yesterday you were 14. And today, who made the brownies?
My dad. Try it.
Oh my God, is there poison in this?
Yes.
Are you allowed to have this for your birthday?
Why not?
Because it's sharp.
That's okay.
Don't kill anybody at school, right?
Okay.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Oh, you already gave me a birthday present. I have 2,000 subscribers.
Well, you have that too.
Oh, thank you.
That you can actually use, like, with your hands.
Cool. Thanks.
2,000 subscribers already? Yeah. Amazing. So you only had like 800 the other night.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Let me put this down.
Okay, this is for you in case you get into a situation where you're like locked in the trunk of a car and you can take apart the lock of the car, or if you have to fix something like one of your dad's cameras breaks, and like you imaginary pretend that one of your dad's camera breaks and you take it all apart. So when he comes home, you go, I was fixing it. Show it with this. I fixed it with Jimmy's new tool.